how to tag someone on Instagram story without it showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you how to tag someone on Instagram story without the tag actually showing. So let's get started. On this process, at first, open the Instagram with your account. Alright, after you open Instagram, tap on plus icon just at the bottom. From your move with the section story and from your choose your picture whom you want to add on your Instagram story. Alright, after you are posting a story on Instagram, tap on sticker icon just at the top. From your tap on mention and from your enter the username of the Instagram whom you want to tag. So in my case, I will add this some random username of Instagram. Alright, after you add the username on tag section, to hide that, you can get two options. Like on the first one, you'll have to just drag it by using your finger, and from here, you'll have to just remove the tag from the edge of your screen. So you have to just use your finger and you can easily drag it as your edge of the screen, and you can easily remove from the screen like this, and from that way you can easily hide it. And all the way you have the another method, like you can easily place the sticker or any emojis just at the upper of that. So simply you can add any emojis from here, like something like this emoji, and from here you can easily cover up that tag by that emojis like this. And after you cover that tag with emoji or sticker, you can easily post it without showing that tag on Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.